So we have 4 exponent x equals 500, okay? All right, we can write 4 as 2 exponent 2, okay? And then we can write 500 as 50 times 10. All right, now let's apply the power of a power rule here. So a exponent m times c will give us a exponent mc. So this gives us 2 exponent 2x equals, now 50 is the same as 2 times 25, okay? And 10 is the same as 2 times 5. All right, so you're going to have 2 exponent 2x equals, now 2 is the same as 2 exponent 1, okay? 25 is the same as 5 exponent 2, 2 is the same as 2 exponent 1, 5 is the same as 5 exponent 1. All right, now let's group the 2's and group the 5's. So you're going to have 2 exponent 1 times 2 exponent 1 times 5 exponent 2 times 5 exponent 1. All right, now let's apply the first law of indices. So a exponent m times a exponent c should give us a exponent m plus c. So you have 2 exponent 2x equals 2 exponent 1 plus 1 times 5 exponent 2 plus 1. All right, so you're going to have 2 exponent 2x equals 2 exponent 2 times 5 exponent 3. All right, so let's divide here by 2 exponent 2, okay? Here by 2 exponent 2, here by 2 exponent 2. So this and this will cancel, okay? Now let's apply the quotient rule. So we say a exponent m over a exponent c should give us a exponent m minus c. So our equation becomes 2 exponent 2x minus 2 equals, okay, 5 exponent 3. Okay, now we can't apply the one-to-one property of exponential functions here, okay? So because of that, we are going to use logarithms. So we say log 2 exponent 2x minus 2 equals log 5 exponent 3. All right, let's apply the logarithm definition here. So we say log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. So our equation becomes 2x minus 2 times log 2 equals 3 log 5. All right, now let's divide here by log 2 and then here by log 2. So this and this will cancel. So you're going to have 2x minus 2 equals 3 times log 5 over log 2. All right, now let's apply the change of base formula, okay? So we say log a over log b should give us log a base b. So we are going to have 2x minus 2 equals, okay, 3 log 5 base 2. All right, so this is what we have. All right, now let's transpose 2. So we're going to have 2x, we are transposing minus 2. So we're going to have 2x equals 3 log 5 base 2 plus 2, okay? Now let's make s the subject of the equation. So we divide here by 2 and then here by 2. Okay, so x equals 3 log 5 base 2 plus 2, okay, all over 2.